Okay, another tour. The dandelion farmer scalped his lawn, so hooray. Now the seeds are all over mine. Need to cut that. I mean, gets in my way when I'm cutting the lawn. Here's where I seeded my neighbor's lawn. Okay, here's the grease spot. It's coming back in. We're gonna get a ton of rain next week, so should fill in. How are you doing? There's the hosta. Pretty much, there's a tulip down in there somewhere. It never did come up this year. Can't kill that hosta. Yeah, this is probably just gonna have to go. I don't know, man. This one's doing good. Got the columbines. See, because of the sun. Yeah. Here's what those guys look like. If I give them some plant food, they'll flower pretty good. There's my miniature hosta. This is doing well. I had to cut all this stuff back because it is, I don't know what it is, but it just grows. It needs something, iron maybe, because it's yellow. Another purple columbine. Get in there. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's underneath. Look at that purple, man. I want to take them seeds and sprinkle around in with the whites, and maybe I can get two colors over there. Okay, here's this. What are you doing there? You're not supposed to be there. Neither are you. Try to clear all of this stuff out. Alright, this is bothering me, and maybe it's just me. Okay. Alright, see this guy, obviously naked, right? Alright, well let's go around here. What the? Is it just me? Yikes. What? Okay. You guys are coming in. They'll bloom if I feed them. There's the lavender. Yew bushes. Probably need to trim. I don't know. It's forever a good time to trim the yews. Still working on the back. I know, spread it around. I don't know. I just keep dumping it and I'll spread it when I get enough. Yeah, these guys are doing good. This is what's left that I didn't accidentally kill, like 2010. Evil apple tree. There. And then, yeah, this last video, this stuff was just a bunch of brown sticks, man. Look at it. Here it comes. Here come the bees. That's it for now.